Epoint Cyrus Cloud Solutions is a hybrid POS solutions, support online and offline. Using web browser access to allow businesses to consolidate all customer transactions from outlets and manage business operations. Like product management, inventory, promotions and sales are automatically synchronized everywhere. Epoint Cyrus Cloud Solutions, able to support various of business type or even chain store, with different branding, just one access login. Our dashboard is a data management tool that provides centralized information and monitoring, measurement and analysis of your business's wealth in a glance. We also had multilingual support extends the customer preferred language to operate. Thanks for watching.